Hello guys, I will show you how to break blocks in Minecraft fast. I'm wrong. And now go to your Minecraft X. I think we need to make another new one because I'm lagging so hard. Bye bye, test. No, okay. Let's make another one. What? Let's make a new one. Why here? Advance. Okay. Test. Flat. Okay, go. There we go. Okay, create. Then we have a new. Okay, so we need to. The thing we need to do is made. I will show you the first one. You can mind this. It works in creative only. Okay, guys. It works only in creative. You need to do is go the top, the very top. If you're building like a stick on this, you can do this. Yes, you can do this. You can mine very fast. Come on, down. There we go. Mine. Okay, here we go. You don't look the block. Just look at the air. Just look at the air, guys. If you watch the another one, you will know why I'm bad in English. But I will say it now. I'm bad in English because I'm a Filipino and not American. Okay, I am American. Sorry guys, I'm a Filipino kid. Sorry. I'm always gonna do worry. I'm bad in English. So there we go. Okay, just don't look in the air. Don't look at the block. Look at the air. But don't look like this, like looking on straight. Just you need to look at the air that the block can see on the screen like this. You can see the block in the screen, but the plus in the screen is not on the block. It's not facing the block. You can do this. Look guys, and hold down. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna show you how to mine on the horizontal. Okay, pluck. You need to do is go far on the block until you reach it. There we go. You reach it right. Top. Look, you're mining so fast. If you're mining straight down, don't so near, because if you're near, you're just so slow mining. Yeah, that's it. That's I want to show you guys. This is my remembrance of where did I do that. That is my remembrance. Okay, so bye bye guys. See you. Bye bye.